In this video we're going to show you how to remove the front seat belt from an Audi A3 8P 3-door model. That's years 2004 to 2012. In this video we've already removed the seat just to make it easy to film and show you where everything is, but you don't have to remove the seat, although it does make it easier. If you do want to remove the front seat, you can see how to do this in our other videos. The tools you'll need for the job: some trim tools, a 17mm socket with a ratchet, a 6mm Allen key with a ratchet, a T30 Torx and a small flat screwdriver. First you need to remove this front piece of trim. Using your trim tool, just get under it at the front there and pop that up, and it'll sort of fold up and over, and that'll pull down. Next is this trim, starting at the front. Get your trim tool under that, just pop it up and work your way along. When you get to the back and the clips are undone, that'll just slide forward and out. So there are the pegs on the back. See where they slide into the holes at the bottom and slide back. You'll need to remove the back seat so you can swing this side panel out of the way. If you've got Isofix, remove the covers first. The covers just push down and come forward. And then at the front of the seat, get your hands under, give it a good pull up, and the seat will push down. Push it down and away from you and it'll unhook. You can move that out of the way. Now, using your trim tool, you want to remove this bottom half of the panel. This is about that section there. This is a separate section to this. Using your trim tool, get it in there and just pry it away. It'll pop away. Hook the belt over. You don't need to remove the front panel, the full panel. You can get that to about there. You just wedge something in or keep it back with your hand just so you can work on the belt here. About that far apart is enough to work on it. Now we're going to remove this bar that the belt fixes to at the bottom. It's on a rail. At the back of the rail it's a 6mm Allen key. Undo that. And then at the front of the bar there's a 17mm socket. And the bar will just come out and swing through the hole in the carpet. And you can take that off the belt if you want. Now we can remove the belt reel from the bottom there with a pillar. So again, that's a 17mm bolt. When you've removed the bolt, it'll hook out of the metal pillar. You just slide it up and out, and that'll come over. There is an electrical plug on there which you'll need to remove. Using a small screwdriver, get it in and just flick the little yellow tab up. Once that's flicked out, then you can get behind the hole plug and that'll come out. You do have to remove the yellow bit first though. It's also just hooked in there as well, a little cable guide, just unclipped. And you can leave that hanging there, it's just the top to undo. Now you need to remove this trim to get to the bolt that's holding the top of the belt in. In this white lower section here, there's two T25s that run either side of the belt. Undo both of those, they are quite stiff. when the bolt's removed, pull the trim towards you and it'll just clip out the top. And pull down. You can feed the belt through the hole. It's just the last bolt at the top there to remove. Now the last bolt to undo, this top one is also a 17mm. It's quite a shallow one, so when you're on it and it is quite tight, be careful you don't slip. And when that's removed, the belt will come out, and that's it done.